There's a trick in gardening that most experts won't talk about. It sounds almost too simple to work, but it has the power to triple your harvest without chemical fertilizers or fancy gadgets. It's a single piece of copper wire. That's it. Just a thin common metal wire buried in your soil can unlock growth that seems almost magical. And yet, despite decades of research, mainstream agriculture has largely ignored it. Why? Because this is one of those discoveries that doesn't fit the corporate fertilizer model, and it challenges everything we think about plant nutrition. Copper is more than a metal, it's a catalyst for life in the soil. When you insert a piece of copper wire into your garden soil, it releases trace amounts of copper ions over time. Plants need these ions, but in incredibly small amounts. Copper activates enzymes in the plant that control everything from photosynthesis to nutrient absorption. Without it, plants struggle, even in fertile soil. The real magic happens when you combine copper with moist soil. Water helps carry these ions directly to plant roots, where they're absorbed. The result is faster growth, stronger stems, larger leaves, and most importantly, dramatically higher yields. Some gardeners have reported seeing their harvests double or even triple after using this simple technique consistently. Copper ions trigger the production of chlorophyll and stimulate nitrogen metabolism in plants. Essentially, your crops become much better at converting sunlight and soil nutrients into energy. This isn't guesswork. Decades of agronomy research confirm copper's essential role in plant health. The catch is that it works in minuscule amounts. Too much copper can be toxic, but just the right trace amount dramatically improves growth. This is why, mainstream methods tend to ignore it. Fertilizer companies make their profits by selling nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium in bulk. A tiny copper wire buried in the soil doesn't generate revenue, but honestly, it can produce far better results. It's a naturally sustainable, low-cost method that anyone can apply, yet it's barely discussed outside experimental gardening circles. Using copper wire is really simple, but precision is key here. You'll need a thin, clean copper wire, about 1 millimeter in diameter. Cut a piece long enough to reach the root zone of your plants, typically 8 to 12 inches. Push it vertically into the soil, close to the base of the plant, but not directly touching the stem, just to avoid overexposure. For added effect, gardeners sometimes combine copper wire with a diluted nutrient solution. The formula is pretty precise. Take 1 liter of water and dissolve exactly 1 gram of soluble seaweed extract or humic acid. Pour this gently around the base of the plant with the copper wire in place. This combination helps distribute the copper ions evenly and boosts the microbial life around the roots, creating, a natural nutrient superhighway. The word forbidden isn't an exaggeration. Copper wire gardening exists in a gray area between traditional knowledge and modern science. Universities and corporate labs have studied it, but, results that contradict large-scale chemical fertilizer models are rarely publicized. The moment a gardener can dramatically increase yields using a scrap of copper wire and a little water, it undermines the billion-dollar fertilizer industry. Beyond profit, there's a cultural bias in agriculture. Conventional farming often focuses on bulk, measurable nutrients and overlooks subtle trace elements. Copper wire doesn't fit neatly into spreadsheets or mass production systems. It's quiet, slow, and almost mystical in its effects, so it remains under the radar. If you want to see consistent results, placement matters. Always ensure the copper wire reaches the root zone, and pair it with moist soil. Dry soil will slow ion absorption. Rotate copper wire placement seasonally to avoid buildup in one area. Some gardeners even create a small network of wires in larger beds, spaced according to plant type, to encourage uniform growth. So, soil type influences results too. Sandy soils allow copper ions to move quickly, but clay soils hold copper longer, which can actually be beneficial for slow-release growth. The beauty of this method is that it works in nearly every soil type, if you use it correctly. When you combine it with compost, mulch, and natural irrigation, you end up with a holistic system that really promotes both plant and soil health. Copper wire does more than just feed plants directly. It actually energizes soil microbes, and those microbes improve nutrient cycling. Healthier microbes mean better resistance to pests and disease. So, in short, you're not just feeding your plants, you're creating a self-sustaining ecosystem. Strong plants, healthy soil, and bigger harvests are all connected. Over time, gardeners start to notice subtle improvements: darker, richer soil, more earthworm activity, and plants that just need less supplemental feeding. This is why folks who adopt this method rarely go back to chemical-heavy fertilizers. They simply don't need them anymore. If you're curious, start with one bed or just a few plants. Monitor growth, note changes in leaf size, stem strength, and fruit production. The difference is often noticeable within a single growing season. Keep records, and you'll see the pattern repeat with different crops. The beauty of copper wire gardening is that it's low risk, inexpensive, and honestly, it's backed by both modern science and practical results from thousands of experimental gardeners worldwide. Copper is subtle, but powerful. One thin wire, placed correctly, can awaken your soil and supercharge plant growth. It's simple, effective, and quietly revolutionary. Exactly the kind of trick that Soilsage Chronicles exists to share with gardeners who want real results without unnecessary chemicals. Gardening is full of secrets, but the copper wire trick is one you can try today. Start small, observe, adjust, and just watch your harvest grow. You're not just feeding plants, you're unlocking the hidden potential of your soil. If you found this guide valuable, don't forget to subscribe to Soilsage Chronicles for more cutting-edge natural gardening tips. Share this video with friends who love gardening as much as you do, and let's grow smarter together.